Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something I found up in Canada, and honestly, I'm always on the hunt for Filipino varieties. And I found one up there. This is Nissin Yakisoba Instant Pancit Spicy Chicken. I've got some boiling water here. Let's dump this in. There we go. We need 3 minutes. And we go 1, 2, 3. So what's the deal with Pancit? Well, Pancit is basically noodles, at least as far as I can tell, what I hear and what I've seen. And this is a instant Pancit Yakisoba. So basically you just take these noodles, soak them like is going on right now, let them hydrate and drain them, and then you add the powder and the sauce, much in the same way as Pancit Canton, much in the same way as mee goreng. All Indonesia and the Philippines are like next door neighbors, as is Malaysia and Singapore. So yeah, anyway, so that's cool. And we've decided, actually it'll be you'll see the video that we decided on, but Miles and I have decided to do a spicy noodle mukbang, which we're going to do after this one of something from Taiwan. So we're pretty jazzed about that. And I don't know what the calories are on it, though. I'll have to look at that. I'll have to look. But it's a spicy variety, so. And it kind of begs to have an egg. So I think I'm going to go in a penny and go in for a pound on this one. As you probably know, I've rattled on and on and on about it. I've been on a diet, and I don't really partake of eggs much at all anymore, just due to the fact that they're high in cholesterol, and the impetus for the diet was high cholesterol. So it's kind of a special once in a blue moon kind of thing. So it recommends egg and spring onion, or scallion as they like to call. So let me turn this down a little bit. I turned it down. Anyways, it's really hard to turn this thing down. It's super sensitive, and it actually does have a dial. It's not like push a button. It's analog, folks, just the way I like it. If you're wondering about where you're hearing the music from, it's this thing. It's just like this tube, and it's rad, and you can put a thumb drive or a SD card in it, and it works great. And it's rechargeable, so it doesn't use batteries like my old boombox did. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. So that's that. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all right. So our noodles are done. They just need to be drained. So let's drain them. Drained. Alright. Here's your instant Pancit. And we're going to throw some. We've got 2 things to put in. We got a powder. And we have this stuff, which is going to require spooning. Luckily, wow, it just smells. All it smells like is just a ton of sweet soy. I have a feeling, and it says it's spicy chicken. That might be in the powder aspect of things, but we'll see. Stirring melt down a little thing of oil and whatnot. Yeah, look at that thing. It does not want to break down. And when I cracked it open, it was like hard as a rock. So I might have to do something unorthodox here. I might have to throw it in the microwave for a second. Oh! Yeah. Well, here we go. Took a little bit, but it's starting to get that kind of more of a garlic smell. Wow, that's thick. Yeah, it's like really, really old, tired, not wanting to melt sweet soy sauce, like Indonesian sweet soy sauce, which is thick like molasses. But I think cooler minds have prevailed, and it does indeed go in, right? The last thing you want in something like this is a nice big gob of sweet soy sauce in your mouth. Like, glug, glug, glug. Oh, here it is. Melt, sucker. Alright, well I think it's about as melted as it's gonna melt. Let's give it a try. On this rainy, rainy day. Okay. Yakisoba. I'm not getting any of that kind of flavor really. Pancit. Yeah. Spicy. A little bit. A nice little bit. Chicken. A hint. It's not bad. I mean, Filipino Pancit instant noodles are some of my favorite noodles ever, especially because of how sweet they are. They're really quite good. And this is no exception. And a little bit of spicy's nice too. So let's see, we got some spring onion left. Let's just do some of that. I don't know. I don't have any chicken or nothing, so I think that's what we're looking at, folks. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't bad. I can live with this, so. Alright. Yeah. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.